Mintri katanat ka koi kya uba Wailadmiki Syllad haga kat pratrik nailar. Ulo ong baka sorkar jela kala kyntiew kyrdan yaki jingdonkam hapoh Byrnihat CHC kabalong katkum ka jingbthah jong ka Iingkashari High Court kata haba pensisharu yaki jingbthah halor ki jingdona balakadaw daka Iingkashari. Kalkinhun nakatanat kaladap bru banjurib yakathan Byrnihat hadin ka jingbthah jong ka High Court ong uba Wailad. Uba Wailad ulaong baka Iingkashari kalabtha ban kyntiew kyrdan ban bu yak x-ray ban thung yak technician bat chest specialist ha ka CHC bat balaai jingbthah yakatanat ban pentrekam mardor. Ngila le yakata ka jingbthah ngila de batha yakatanat ka koi kya bade ban le kloi kat bala ya baro ki jingdonkam ulaong. Mintri ulakdo bawat lagi don ki jingdona Henry ki jinghen balalum daka sorkar kimpen pau ya ka jinglap kumbalakdo daka Iingkashari. Halor ka jinglap jong ka Iingkashari uba Wailad ulaong baka sorkar kan sa pentikna ya ka tenrai. Ngihaban kami banya na kanu ka jaka baka High Court kalayo ya ka naga jingtim. Nginsa le ya ka badankam bat pensisha bat penkre ya ka kaipod ula benram.
The direction from the Honorable High Court, and they have directed that a team, they have set a team, and then they have sent our people also from the health department, and then to check about our health facilities in the Byrnihat area, and they have done that, and then now right now I don't know like how that data they have got it. But according to to our data present with the health facilities, it's not up to that number. No doubt there are some cases, but not up to that level. So after the inspection, so they have given some direction to the health department, especially to to have this X-ray and this technician, and also the specialist, chest specialist, and also, and we are like. We are abiding by that, and then we are trying to like we have directed from the health department also that all the requirement to be done as soon as possible. Right now, because we have not got any conclusive evidence, because like I said, because all this time we have our health facilities over there, we have our this in Byrnihat we have this CSC over there where we are like planning to upgrade. So there from the because all this time we used to receive the data, but the data was not alarming as such, which the Honorable High Court is mentioning. So definitely we gonna verify it this along with it. So that's why, and at the same time, like I already mentioned, that they have directed us that after the inspection that we need to set up certain things over there, so which we gonna do that we have directed already, and then we have to see now we had I think we have to from the health department we have to check that from where the Honorable High Court has got this data. So definitely we're gonna work on that, and then we'll try to verify and come up with a report.